Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw the Leopard Blox Fruit. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Leopard Blox Fruit, let's begin with the front. So I'm going to start right here, and let's just start by making a diagonal line like this. Next, let's make another diagonal line that's going to come this way. Now let's draw a line that's going to come straight down. And then I'm going to make a little curve right here, and we'll make another line that's just going to come straight down. Let's make a little curve that's going to come straight down here for the sides of our little Blox Fruit. Now let's make that little texture down here. So let's make some kind of pointed, wavy little lines. So we'll make a few here. Then we're just going to kind of continue these down to here. Then we're just going to make some more here. And then we're just going to make some right here. Now, I'm going to bring this down at an angle right to here, kind of where that corner is. Then I'm going to bring this up at an angle and connect. Now, starting here, kind of lined up with this, let's go ahead and make a diagonal line here. And then we're going to make another diagonal line right here. Let's go up and down for an ear, and then up and down for an ear. I'll go up and down again, and up and down again. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve up and down. And then starting here, we're just going to kind of jump up and go up. Let's make a small oval shape right there. Then right here, we're just going to go down and then come up and kind of follow that pattern to here. Next, let's make a little bump here. And then let's just continue this line to here. I'm going to bring it over to here. And then we're just going to come down and connect it right here. Now for the eyes on our Blox Fruit Leopard, let's begin by going down with a curve. And then we're going to bring this up a little bit. Same thing here, we're just going to go down with a curve and then up. We're going to curve down on each side. Then we're going to come up and down. We're going to go up and down. And then curve it up and curve it up. Next, starting here, I'm going to bring this line around, and we're going to curve it back and come right to here for the tail. Then we're just going to put a little curve at the end. Then for the spots, all you have to do is just kind of add some little kind of geometric shapes kind of all around here in different sizes, and you're just going to fill up the whole area here. So I'm going to kind of speed this up and add all of our spots on here. And there you go, there's your drawing of a Leopard Blox Fruit. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.